Oh no. Hey. Wow, that was a surprise. Hi guys, it's a beautiful day today, bright sunshine, hot. I don't know what date it is, September the 14th I think. Anyway, what I'm going to do is fly the gliders. I've modified this one with a big hook on the front of it so I can catapult launch it. Don't know how long it'll last like that because it's only foam. This one I've modified the tail on it. You might even be able to see it's got a what do you call that, ferruled effect, something that I can grip when we launch it, and I might even take that boomerang while I'm at it. Just go and see what we can do. Give this one a little try first. I gave it a little throw in the garden to check it was still flying okay with that extra nose weight on it. Might be a little bit too windy. Try it with a gentle launch first. Oh, not too bad. Right, we'll try it with a bit of a right turn on it into the wind. It didn't survive very much into the wind. I'm being very gentle with it because I don't think it'll take much to rip the wings off. Yeah, like that. Right, okay, well that proves that little point. As soon as I tried to give it a decent bit of power, I mean, it is only directly glued foam, so that's not surprising. So, that's that one. Now this one. Now this one I've strengthened with carbon fibre underneath. Those bits are much bigger than they need to be, but that just happened to be what I had available. And we've got the alternative tail. So a bit to the left of the wind. Okay, well at least it didn't break that time. We'll try it to the right of the wind instead. Gosh, considering how hard that came down, that's still in one piece. Okay, so what can we do to alter this? Right hand launch. Curve it the other way. When I say right hand, I mean rubber band in my right hand. Whoa! Well, we were lucky. To find a low down branch. Well, that actually went better than expected. I'd better go out in the middle a bit. Right. Wind's that way. Is it worth launching it with the wind behind me so it turns into the wind? Just Try level flight a second. Just about 50% chord. Balance. I'll take a little bit of weight off it, which is counterintuitive to me. I usually want to add more weight. Put that weight back on again, I think. That was a little bit better. It is relatively heavy with all that extra on it, so it's flying rather fast. Let's try launching it with the wind behind me. Giving it a little bit of left elevator there. Left rudder. Dear me, I really am having trouble with my words nowadays. Right. Wind behind us again. I've given it a bit of down elevator. Wind behind us again. Too much down elevator, obviously. Not into the tree. No. Giving it a bit more left rudder. I don't think we're going to be getting 20 seconds with this. But on the positive side, that tail seems to be effective. I wonder what will happen if we try left-handed launch now. Definitely not a left-handed launch. Right, I reckon this will do. Last one. Then I'll throw that boomerang a little bit. Oh, yeah, all right. I always say last one and then have one more go, don't I? Oh no. Hey. Well, that was a surprise. That was slightly into the wind. Still not a 20-second flight, but it did stay up a bit. I will have one go, honest, one go, and see if I can repeat that. more or less in that direction. Not quite so good. So we have one good flight. I'm not going to push it. I could spend all afternoon here trying to get it right. But I think the fact it's going back home in one piece is a bonus. I will just throw that boomerang just to see if it works. Haven't thrown it for a long time. This is one you definitely don't want to try and catch, to be honest. Right, wind. From there, aim it over there, pretty well upright. Okay. So I'm not going to try and catch it. As you can probably work out, it's 5 30-centimetre rulers held together with little bamboo poles, plugs, and obviously glued. Whoa. When people watch me throwing these, they keep telling me to put it up more, because when I throw it with the wide angle lens on the camera, it looks like it's much further over than it actually is. I am throwing it up pretty like that. And we'll just try it a little bit more like that. Yeah, that's what happens. Climbs too quickly. So you're just around 11 o'clock, no, 1 o'clock, isn't it? 11 o'clock would be that way. 1 o'clock. Right, that'll do. That's probably much too much time, but I'll edit it down. So, there we go. That's our day out. Face the sun a bit. So try and do an end screen. Up here, a video YouTube thinks you'll like on my channel. Down here is my channel. Check it out. I do lots more than just gliders. Up here, latest video on my channel, and down here an associated playlist. Not sure which one to use for this. says 3 different items. Never mind, I'll think of something.